Okay, so hello guys. Today we talk about condition in Python, how we use the if statements, else statement, and else statement. Okay, so first we have to open one ID. So I'm using here online ID. Uh, WhatsApp and open this. You can use any ID or you can use in local. Okay, so first of all, I have to sign this Google. Okay. Okay, so here we are talking about condition in Python. So here are the three conditions: if statement and elif and else statement. Here are three statements. Okay, in Python. So if you are using a one condition, then you use only simple if and else. Okay, and if you are using the multiple condition, then you have to use a elif statement. So first we take a one condition and we use this if statement and else statement. Okay, so for example, like age is given and we are check you are above 18 or not. Okay, so what we do? First of all, we have to take a input. So we take here a generalized input is equal to age is a variable here, and here I take input. If you are taking a string input, then you have to use a simple input, and then you have to check if here age is a in an integer. So you have to simple take here a integer value, integer input. Okay, so in integer input and there bracket, and then you have to use check here if age is greater than 18. Here you have to print something. You are valid for both. Okay, so this is a if you are using a if you are above the 18 age, so you are valid for what else it's going to else part print you are not valid for vote. Okay, so this is the single condition. Okay, if your age is above 18, you are valid for vote, else not. Okay, let me check it. Here we are, I'm given here 15. It's less than 18, so it's going to else condition. So as you can see this, you are not valid for vote. So it's going to here we take input and it's 15, so it's less than 18, so it's going to else part. Now we take input 20. Okay, so 20 is above the 18, so it's going to if condition, inside the if condition, so it's output is you are valid for vote. So as we can see this, you are valid for vote. So this is the if statement. And if you are using a multiple condition, then how we use this? Then you have to suppose that you have to check if you are uh, 18 age, then you are valid, or if you are less than or greater than. So here we are take if your age is less than 18, you are here we take you are not valid for vote. Okay. elif, take your elif condition and take your age. If age is equal to 18, okay, and print here you are valid for vote. Okay, like this. And as going to else part, because if your age is not less than or 18, that means your age is above 18, so you are valid for vote. Is going to you are valid for vote. Okay, else part. So we are taking here here we take vote on something. So we identify else part or uh, elif part, which condition is running. So we are taking here suppose that 18. So it's going to a elif condition. Okay, inside elif condition. So let me check. Something is wrong. We are again run this. Okay, you are valid for vote. So one, and so this elif section is running. So if we are giving here a 18 input, so it's going to uh, it's go to inside the elif section when you are dry and run. Okay, you can check it. So this is the if statement. If you are using a need a one condition, so simply use if and else. Or if you are using a multiple condition, you can use elif, and you can use a multiple elif. You can use also here a elif. It's your choice. Elif, and here you take is greater than 18. Then going to this part. Okay, so you can use elif or else. It's your choice. Whichever you are comfortable, so you can use this. Okay, so this is the if statement condition Python. So next video we are talking for loop and while loop. So till then, wait and watch this video. So I if you like the video, if you like the video, like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.